everyone, I'm Brent Philips. Today on this vlog, I'm going to talk a little bit about a new project that I'm working on called IATI Studio. Background-wise, I had Humanitarian AI meetup groups in 15 cities. I also manage our community's volunteer projects, and I produce our podcast, Humanitarian AI Today. Our meetup community has been commissioned to launch a new project. The project focuses on helping nonprofits start their first IATI aid activity files, and will be helping them curate their digital information channels. These efforts are geared towards helping make nonprofits visible to AI age applications. These applications include powerful new question-answering chatbots like ChatGPT and conversational search features being added to Google and other search engines. This year, we're going to be reaching out to nonprofits that are important to our donors and to other nonprofits, and we're going to help them register their organizations and publish at least one IATI aid activity file. This will introduce them to IATI and help them get started using the Open Data Sharing Framework. Next, we're going to advise them on how to expand their use of IATI XML elements and attributes to ensure that AI applications can return the right information sought after by other organizations and by donors. We've been discussing new generative machine learning models and how dialogue applications powered by them are poised to give humanitarian actors and donors new tools to use to learn about aid activities, needs in the field, and how to help. For example, I asked ChatGPT a rather silly question. I asked how jelly beans are used by humanitarian organizations, and I ended up learning about foods that humanitarian organizations do provide, and about vitamin-fortified items like flour and oil. I had an interesting conversation, and I actually learned a lot about fortified oils, which I hadn't known anything about. ChatGPT can do an amazing job of answering questions using IATI data. As many of you know, organizations channel data through IATI by converting activity information into XML code and publishing their XML files, typically on their web servers. What ChatGPT can do is actually dig into these files, and although the information is formatted in XML code, ChatGPT can use the information to answer questions, and even fairly complex questions. If you want to improve your organization's visibility in the AI age, and if you want to regain some narrative control of your messaging to, for example, help raise support for your operations, then the best thing to do is to publish your information through IATI.